Hey, it's Luana, and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's episode is part 1 in a mini-series, and we're going to be making easy Italian meatballs. You can use this recipe to make appetizers, for spaghetti and meatballs. We're going to be using it for a future episode, so without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need are ground beef, Italian sausage, an onion, some garlic, Italian blend cheese, water-soaked panko or breadcrumbs, eggs, salt, pepper, dried parsley, basil, and oregano. The first step is to peel and mince your garlic. Then finely dice your onion, and trust me, there will be tears. Then give the eggs a good scramble. In a mixing bowl, season the ground meats with salt and pepper, add the eggs, panko mix, the dried herbs, and the cheese, then give it a good mix until it's well combined. Then, unlike me, don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then portion your meatballs into 1-ounce pieces and place onto a foil-lined baking sheet. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. And that's it, easy Italian meatballs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode because we're going to continue this little mini-series and we're going to be making an easy tomato sauce. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.